Once there was a snake who bit unsuspecting people for fun. That is, until she tried to bite a traveling witch. The witch was able to escape the fatal bite. And as revenge for trying to bite her, the witch transformed the snake into a human to do the witch's evil bidding. The witch left the snake with her serpentine eyes and venomous fangs, so all that saw her knew she was cursed. After a while, the snake got used to finding her way around on two legs. The witch found that the snake was good at doing the dirtiest of work: theft, extortion, assassinations, and the snake is happy to serve the witch as long as she's fed and had a nice hot rock to sleep on. When the snake appears in town, all know trouble is afoot. She is known by many names: Bad Fortune, the Hissing Bandit, Blue Death, the Basilisk. But the witch has bestowed her own name to her loyal snake, and so she is Miss Wigglesworth.
Hello everyone, it's me Grace, and welcome back. I'm so happy to debut my new original rogue character, Miss Wigglesworth. I want to give a huge thank you to my patrons for coming up with so many great nicknames that were featured in the video today. And a big thank you to my fiance for narrating Miss Wigglesworth's backstory. I made this costume myself, and every step of the process was a real treat to create. I documented how I made this character on my channel, if you're interested in seeing how I made her. Since the costume is all done, I'll show you how I finished her look with some makeup. First, I'm starting with concealer and blending it in with a wet beauty blender. I used a dark blue lip liner to create my brows. I tried to make them longer and more dramatic than usual. I used brow gel to blend in the color and to shape my brows. I'm using black eyeshadow to create a dark, smoky eye. I'm blending and bringing the eyeshadow all the way up to my brows. I'm tightlining my eyes to help them stand out a bit more. Now I can add mascara. I'm applying false eyelashes for a more dramatic look. For the lips, I used a combination of lip gloss and the same dark blue liner I used on my brows. The lips turned out to be my favorite part of the makeup look. I used these awesome contacts from spookyeyes.com. I usually hate wearing contacts, but I can say with confidence, these are the most comfortable contacts I have ever tried. I'll leave a link down below for the products I used today in case you're interested. And with that, the look is complete. Creating Miss Wigglesworth was the most fun I've had making a costume in a long, long time. It's so rewarding to see this project complete. Thank you all so much for following along and joining me today. Now that this costume is done, what kind of fantasy character would you like to see me create next? I would love to hear your ideas. And if you like the video, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel because I would love to see you back. Until next time, bye everyone.